name's Jeff Sullivan. I live at 54 Tracy Drive. I hope you don't mind me coming here and playing the contrarian. You know, I figure as somebody who might counter your thoughts or actions, it's how we best reach, the best planned outcome. By having some criticism, hopefully we can correct any mistakes that people might make in their decision making. So I just wanted to comment on Manchester's plan of conservation and development, also known as the Manchester Next plan for the next 10 years. This plan is you'll have to excuse me, not that well organized tonight. But one of the quotes from this plan says that every decision the town makes should be a step toward reducing inequities among its residents and neighborhoods and making the town a more sustainable place for future generations to live in. And, inequity or equity can be interpreted and applied in a lot of different ways to different situations. In this instance of the softball field, I agree that it makes sense for equity for the female softball team to have, fields, similar to male softball teams might have. But when you use the term equity to describe residences and like things like income and, possession of property, equity makes it sound as if we're all going to have the same size houses and same, living conditions. And I don't think it's possible for everyone to live in the same house or have the same socioeconomic status, because there are varying levels of intelligence and motivation and other factors which change our status and our wealth. So this drive towards constant equity, I don't think is attainable or plausible. So another quote from Manchester Next. It says, "A sustainable Manchester is a community taking bold action toward climate justice by reducing emissions, centering equity, and building resilience." Unfortunately, I don't understand how the climate can be unjust to different people when we're all in the same town and we are all subjected to the same weather climate. So, climate justice, I don't understand how the climate is unjust. This concept of, again, centering equity, when you think of creating equality, the only way to achieve material equality is by utilizing the government's monopoly on the legitimate use of violence to seize property from wealthier individuals and then to redistribute that property to less wealthy people. That's how you achieve equality and redistribution of wealth. So, according to this plan, it says sustainability.
Mr. Sullivan, I'm sorry,
That's all right.
That's all right, thank you.